Madison, come here. Can we? Yeah. Can we sing "Happy Birthday" to Aunt Connie?
No.
Why?
Because
Happy birthday.
Tell me. What happened? Why don't you want to sing her happy birthday?
I don't know.
Do you love Aunt Connie? Did she take you to go feed the baby cows?
Mm-hmm.
She did, huh? Did you get to feed the baby cows, the bottles, when we went to Maryland?
Yeah.
Yeah. Can you sing her happy birthday? Because today's her birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Connie. Happy birthday to you.
Hey, that didn't look very heartfelt. Do you love her?
Yeah.
Tell her. Right here. Say, I love you.
I love you.
Aunt Connie.
And Connie.
Keep your pants on. Please put your pants back on. Why would you take them off?
It's so funny.
Why'd you take your pants off?
Because I was just watching. No, come on.
What do you want to do?
I need to play with this stuff.
You want to play with what stuff?
I need to play with
What are you watching?
Alexa, no, stop watching me.
You want to watch Electra? Okay, bye.